All right, so I was using the hedge trimmer and this happened. So now I've got to wire nut these bad boys together. So I got this one so I can slip it in here and cut it, because some of them don't have that. And now I can pull these apart, you follow me, to kind of get them separated like that. And now I can strip them, right? So I'm just going to get in here and try to find the right hole. I think that's the one right there, the 12. And I'm going to twist it like this. And then I just got to pull. And then I'm going to get my wire. So I got to go back to 12. 12 on there, you see it? So you see I'm on 12, right? Twist it. And then we're good. So that one's good. Right, so we're ready to go. So like when you get these, some of them don't have this little cutter in front, which I don't like, but what are you gonna do? So I gotta do this one. Here, I gotta move the camera over because I can't pull this more forward. So what I've gotta do is I've gotta get this in between there, you see? I gotta get it in between and cut it. So it separates these two. This is just 12 volt, right? So there's no electricity going through it. Then I got them cleaned. And then what we're just gonna do is we're gonna go to 12, right? Same thing, you just gotta find it. Right there, right there. Get her squeezed, twist it. Oh. And I kind of go around like this. That gives me a little bit better thing. Got this damn twig in the way. So now you see that, right? That looks good. Let's do another, let's get on there to 12 again. There we are, right? We're on 12. I don't know if you can see it. Twist it. You gotta give it a little bit, right? Oh, this one don't want to do it. Oh, there we go. All right, so now we've got all of our wires nice and clean, right? And so, I'm just gonna use some wire nuts, you know what I mean? Just gonna twist these together. It really doesn't matter because this is 12 volt. So, I don't know if I'm going, I forget which way we're supposed to go, clockwise or counterclockwise or whatever, but this should work. I might put some electrical tape around it. I don't know, we'll see. Strip this a little bit more. So I'm going to continue to do it the same way. Get that on there. And then just screw it right down. And I think we should be good. All right. Set these in here. Hopefully it'll work tonight. We'll take a look and see if we did a good job.